The apartment is located in Friedrichshain, Berlin, a very popular residential area. The client had a very clear idea of how he wanted the design of the apartment. The main design idea was to create a series of custom furniture pieces, all made from the same material but finished in different colors in order to create a common thread throughout the apartment.
The Never Too Small Monthly Edition, a newsletter curated by our team to take you behind the scenes of Never Too Small and introduce you to our favourite people, places and projects from around the world. Subscribe today at nevertoosmall.com or visit the link in the description.
My name is Paola Bagna. I'm a Spanish architect living in Berlin since 2009. This area was former East Berlin. In this area there are a lot of young creatives, galleries, bars, clubs and small retail stores. The year of construction of the building is unknown. I assume it has always been residential. The owner lives here. He loves cooking and is interested in arts and music. The brief specified a generous area for cooking and working, with ample room for storage. Inspiration came from Japanese design and furniture pieces from American artist Donald Judd. When I found the apartment, it was a blank canvas. The original kitchen was turned into the bedroom, and the original living room became the kitchen. The rest of the apartment was kept as it was. At the entrance to the apartment, there is a simple bench to use when taking off your shoes. There is also a clothes rack on the wall. There is a large mirror to check your entire outfit before going out the door. It also reflects the surrounding space and light. Behind the curtain is an IKEA modular wardrobe. We chose to use IKEA to keep the budget low, as this item did not need to be custom. There are two moderate-sized windows in this space, which brings a lot of natural light throughout the day. The sofa, corner shelf and coffee tables were all bespoke pieces, made from MDF and finished in sand grey, red berry and black. The corner shelf can also be used as a chair. The kitchen is all black and creates an interesting contrast compared to the living area. It provides plenty of storage and features an induction hob, oven, range hood and a washing machine to the side. The dining counter comfortably seats two, with enough room for up to 4 people to sit and stand when preparing meals or having a drink. A pendant lamp over the dining counter illuminates the general space when eating. The lighting under the kitchen cabinets creates a bit of atmosphere while lighting up the counter surface. The sleeping area is behind a curtain. The curtain allows light to come through, but also maintains privacy. It consists of a platform for a double bed, made entirely of MDF in sand grey. The height of the bed has been raised to 70 centimeters just below the window. There are steps that you can pull out on one end to allow easier access to the bed. Underneath the bed and in some side compartments there is plenty of storage. The lighting of the space is provided by 2 delicate lamps. The radiator is hidden inside of the bed platform, under the window. The bathroom is by the entrance. The tiles in the bathroom are beige, with a textured concrete look. The bright white bevel tiles help distribute light in different directions, making the small space appear bigger. The floating vanity has plenty of storage with an area for bath towels. Above the vanity is a rectangular sink and a large mirror on the wall. Based on my experience, I think it's possible to live comfortably in small spaces. To achieve good results, it is important to survey the existing space, as each centimeter counts in this type of project. With climate change being one of the biggest challenges, the design and construction industry has a responsibility to think of new ways to renovate existing spaces using sustainable materials. They also need to think about building circular, naturalizing, rethinking the ways we live, and providing ideas and solutions to the current and future society.
Thanks for watching. To receive updates on our latest episodes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.